Good morning, all of you. Welcome to home mentoring session from the SD Vidya School. Myself, Ritu Mittal, mathematics teacher. Today, we are going to start the next chapter, that is chapter number 11, construction. As all of you had done in class 9th, certain construction using a straight edge and a compass. Some examples are like bisecting an angle, drawing the perpendicular bisector of a line segment, and some constructions of triangle, etc. and also gave their justification. Now, in this chapter, we shall study some more construction by using the knowledge of earlier construction. Let's start with this topic, construction of tangents to a circle. This is the exercise number 11.2. Yes, student, we will start with the 11.2 as 11.1 is not in your syllabus. So, we will start with the 11.2 exercise. So, the topic is that construction of a tangents to a circle. We will start with exercise 11.2 with the question number 1. Let's start that. Let's read the first question from the exercise. The question number 1 is that draw a circle of radius 6 cm from a point 10 cm away from its center. Construct the pair of tangents to the circle and measure their lengths. So, yes, student, first of all, what we have to do? We have to draw a circle whose radius is 6 cm. So, let's start that. So, for that we require two things. One is the compass and the another one is a scale. And yes, pencil and eraser also. So, this is a scale I have. First of all, I will measure 6 cm here. So, this is a 6 cm radius in the compass. So, now I will draw a circle with this radius. So, now this is a circle of radius 6 cm. Now what is the next step? Next step is that I have to draw a line that is 10 cm away from the center of the circle. So, let me draw a line that is 10 cm away from the circle. So, this is the center and here I am point out that is 10 cm away, and now I am drawing a line. Fine. This is a line that is 10 cm away. Now, I just give them the name. This is O and this is A. Now, what is the next step? We have to draw tangents from this point to this circle. So, from this point, we have to draw two tangents to this circle. But how can we draw that? Now, first of all, we will bisect this OA line. So, all of you know how to bisect the line. We have to take more than half. More than half we will take in it. One arc and the second arc. Now, we will take the mark the another from the center of the circle, first arc, and this is the second arc. Now, we will draw the line and that line will bisect this center, bisect this line. Fine. Now, this is the point and this we will take as a center. Now, we will draw one more circle and whose radius will be this one. So, how can we draw? We will draw like this. I hope that all of you get clear this. Now, we can draw another circle. Now, the last step. We get the 2 points that touches the circle and we can say cut by the other circle. So, this is the 2 points. Now, from the point A, and we will give this point as a P and this one point as a Q. We will draw a line PA or AP. So, this will be the line. So, this is the first line and now the second will be, now let's we mark it. Okay, fine. So, now we have a two tangents, one is PA and the another one is PQ, and in this way we draw the two tangents, and all of you get clear, I think, that how to draw the tangents of a circle. Next day we just measure the length and we will write it down here. So let me measure the length. the length of the tangent is approximate or exactly 8.1, and this will also be same as like that is also 8.1 centimeter. So in this way we can find out the length of the tangent. Okay, now let me start with the question number 2. Now the question number 2 is that construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. So let's start this question. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter. So all of you know about the concentric circle. So this is question number 2. We have to draw two circles, one whose radius is 4 centimeter and the another one is whose radius is 6 centimeter. So first of all, let me draw the 6 centimeter circle. So this is the circle. I am taking here radius 6 centimeter, or you can draw the 4 centimeter first of all, doesn't matter at all. So this is 6 centimeter radius circle, and now next we have to take 4 centimeter. So let me take 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. So from the same center I will draw a 4 centimeter circle whose radius is 4 centimeter. So this is a fine. Now in the question what they are asking, they are saying we have to construct a tangent to a circle whose radius is 4 centimeter. This is the center, and this one circle is of 4 centimeter, and we have to draw the tangent of this circle. From where we have to draw? From a point on the concentric circle. So we will take a point on a concentric circle. Let me take this one point. I am drawing this line and I just give it name as a A. Fine. Now from point A we have to draw two tangents on this circle. So how can we draw? The same procedure we have to follow. First of all, what we have to do? We have to bisect the line by taking more than half. From that side also. I hope that all of you get clear this. Now next we will draw the line, and that line bisect the OA line. Okay, fine. Now this one will be the center of OA line. So we have to draw another circle from this radius. So first of all, let I just measure it, and now I will draw a circle. Now I get 2 points. One is this point and the another one is this. This is P and this is Q. So AP is one tangent and the AQ is another tangent. So in this way we find out the two tangents of this circle. I hope student all of you get clear how to draw the tangent of a circle. So this is PA and the PQ are two tangents of this circle. Thank you student and have a nice day. Now all of you try the question number 3 yourself. Thank you student and have a nice day.